Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome to the Regal family. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you'll be notified of any uploads or any live chats that may be coming up. This is a negative free zone. And I'm going to say it one more time. This is a negative free zone where no ignorance or, um, any type of foul language or anything will be tolerated in the comments or against the person who is giving this video, doing this video, or the people who are commenting down below. Let's be respectful and mindful of each other. And with that being said, I'll go ahead and get started. You already saw from the title that I'm talking about being freeform. Is it a hairstyle or is it a lifestyle? This is not going to be real long. I've talked about it before. I'm noticing a lot of people in like the industry, and when I said industry, like the music industry or so, people are changing, going from the real thin, super twisted, tightly twisted dreadlocks to, with the designs and all the different buns and this, that, and other, to coming over to freeforming. And my question too, because a lot of people are always asking me about freeform, semi-freeform, this, that, and other. I'm talking about straight, just freeform. I don't have anything to say about semi-freeform. If you ask a question about semi-freeform, that is not something that I discuss. I don't know what that is. I really don't. Whatever you choose to do is what you choose to do. Whatever you choose to call your hair is what you choose to call your hair. Okay. A lot of people think that, in order to get thickness or whatever, or to have like super thick, like Bob Marley style, Nazi dreadlocks or whatever, that you have to freeform. But the thing is, you could be freeform and have, even this is freeform right here, and this is just a tiny dread that has separated away from everything. And I called it my bang. It was all the way up here. Now it's down here. It's two of them. And now it's found its way back to, it attached its way back to another Nazi dread. If it was a hairstyle, then that means that it's something that I would change up often. It's something that, I would want it to be neat or possibly, changed in ways or whatever, so that people are in awe of it. People, I feel like, are in awe, period, of my hair, because I do allow it to be free, that I do allow it to do what it, as I always say, I let it do what it do. You know what I mean? I don't care about frizz, all that type of stuff. I don't care that I have this shorty right here. I don't care that this one right here is flat. I don't care that this one is trying to combine, really to that, next to that one. Now, I don't want, like I said, for my hair to just be one big Nazi dread. Definitely not. I like where I'm at now. No, I do not. Before anybody asks, I do not know how many I have. I have no desire to know. Again, it's just freeform is freeform. It's without technique, period. Without technique. And when I say a hairstyle or a lifestyle, when I evolved into becoming a freeformer, it did change my life. My life was already changing. Okay, that means that, yeah, a lot of people don't really want to hear about nutrition. A lot of people don't want to hear about changes or health, healthy changes and stuff like that. And it's all about that. That's a part of it. That's a part of the of a process of growing hair, period. Eating healthy, putting nutrients in your body, not eating fast foods. Everybody wants to know how do I grow long hair? How do I have like thick dreads? How do I do this? But they don't want to hear about the part where it comes down to nutrition and all of that. Everybody wants beautiful skin and beautiful nails and all of that, but nobody wants to go into the nutritional parts. Nobody wants to talk about the spiritual parts. Now, I'm not talking about religion and all that type of stuff. I'm talking about spirituality. I'm talking about meditation. I'm talking about getting your mind right. Because your mind has to be right to be a freeform anyway. Because, yeah, there's going to be people looking at you. This is not, like the norm. Everybody's not walking down the street freeform. Not here in Chicago, maybe in Florida, someplace else, but not in a lot of places. So, yeah, I look at it as a lifestyle. There's changes that I've made during my whole journey, and I'm continuing to evolve and continuing to do different things, as a freeformer. Does that mean that I won't pull my hair up, that I won't, toss it up in like a ponytail or something, or do something different with it? No, it doesn't mean that. It just means that my main goal is not about a hairstyle. I don't care about it frizzing. I don't care about going outside in the rain. I don't care about, um, flats and cylindricals and how can I get rid of flats and all of that. That doesn't bother me, because if it's free, it's doing what it's doing naturally. Now, some people talk about the flats. I happen to love my flats. I love every hair on my head, you know, um, as you should. And no, I would never want to look like somebody else's. No, I don't want my journey to be like anybody else's, because otherwise I would get a hairstyle. I'll go ahead and just cut this off and get a bob, and then I can have my hair looking just like somebody I saw on TV or somebody I've seen on YouTube, or go get a wig and have it shaped up like somebody else that I've seen. A lot of people are in this for the styling, and it's not just about the styling. You know, if that's what you're in it for, it's going to be short lived, because you're going to always be constantly worried about what people are thinking. Um, why is my hair frizzing? What kind of products can I use? And that's a whole nother thing. When you get into freeforming, and for me, even long before getting into allowing my hair to freeform, I never was into like a lot of products. So comment down below if you're a freeformer and you totally have noticed like a difference in the way that you roll, the way your life moves, whether you're into different things now since you've become a freeformer, whether things that you discuss and talk about are different than before when you were just like, okay, not necessarily on this realm. Are you evolving? Are you growing? Are you into nutrition now? You know, does the frizz bother you? Are you just worried about length? Are you just worried about thickness and girth and 4C and 4 triple D and all of that? I don't know anything about that. All I know is about making sure that my hair stays water runs very well, and that I take care of my body from the inside out. So it's totally a lifestyle for me. It's totally about getting my health together, getting my mind straight, which, I mean, it should be, period. Anyway, I mean, not just if you're a freeformer, we should always be evolving, but I'm just saying this has been a big thing, that I've been noticing. Like, a lot of people like, oh God, I love your hair, I love your hair, I love your hair. Or I hear them saying it about, people that I know, my friends or whatever, that are free form, that I talk to online or whatever, or I should say family, because I consider you all family. And they don't want to hear anything unless it's about hair. If it's about nutrition, if it's about meditation, if it's about growing, if it's about evolving, if it's about doing different things, Don't watch the video. It ain't about that. It's about, I'm 2 weeks in and I want my hair to be down to my knees. And that's it. And before it gets down to my knees, what kind of style can I put it in? What kind of style can I put it in so I can go to work? What kind of style can I put it in? You can't. If you're 2 weeks in, you haven't even started budding. I'm just keeping it 100% real. So, just comment down below if this is just a hairstyle for you. And I'm talking about freeform. I'm not talking about dreadlocks. I'm talking about freeform Nazi dreads. Is it a hairstyle for you? Something that, next week you may just go ahead and cut all the way off? Or is it a lifestyle, something that you plan on adhering to for longevity, for a long period of time? You're interested in learning more about the origin, or you're interested in learning more about caring for yourself inside out, or is it just about, oh, I want to look a certain kind of way, and that's it. I want people to look at me because of the length of my hair, the thickness of my hair, or because my hair is all over my head like a lion, or something like that. And that's just it. But you're still eating at McDonald's, and you're still, walking around, how can I say it, intoxicated, acting the same way you were acting, years before you even started growing dreadlocks, years before you even started thinking about growing dreadlocks, or as some people say, locks, whatever. I choose to call it Nazi dreadlocks, and that's what I choose to call it here. But just comment down below if hey, if it's a lifestyle, if it's a lifestyle for you, or if it's a hairstyle for you. And if it's a lifestyle for you, what all does that involve for you? What does it involve? Like, do you meditate? Do you eat healthy? Do you cleanse? Do you detox? Are you taking care of your body? Are you taking care of your spirit? I'm really interested in seeing what people are saying. I mean, because it's been a while since I put out something about freeform. I've been trying to get off into talking about nutrition on this channel. That's not really a popular subject here, and I understand. It's about the hair, it's about the hair, it's about the hair. But it's you're not gonna have any hair if you're not getting your nutrients. You're not gonna have any hair if you're twisting it off your head. Point blank. So I just want to come in and just drop a little bit of something on your mind and see where you at, and if it is a hairstyle for you, then okay, that's fine. I don't have a problem with that. Everybody is welcome here. You don't even have to have dreadlocks. You can just be natural, or you could be rocking relaxers and thinking about changing over. If this is something that just interests you, I don't mind. Everybody is welcome here. But again, it's a negative free zone. I will be monitoring the comments. Before I forget, also in the description box, if you all seen the last video was about, the new merchandise that I have. Be sure to check it out, support. Finally I got, I designed a t-shirt. Not just a t-shirt, but it's like tanks, t-shirts, pants, socks, mugs, everything. And I have that in the description box below. Okay, so hopefully everybody, what's today? Friday the 24th of May. Wow. School is almost out. Yeah, please, check out the store and support, Okay. But that's all. I probably will step in for a minute and do a video tomorrow. If I don't, I may not do a live chat on Sunday. With it being a holiday weekend, a lot of people won't be around. I'm not sure what I'll be doing. Um, and then we've been having problems with the network. They have to somebody has to go outside on the pole and do whatever it is that they do. I have to let Comcast come out here, Xfinity come out here and do what it is that's necessary. They've already been to my house every month, and we've been having difficulties and stuff, technical difficulties. And I thought it was like not necessarily just on my end, but I thought it was on YouTube's end, and come to find out that it's some problems with the wiring. So I'm not sure if I'm doing a live chat, and if I do, it probably won't be for more than 30 minutes because I will have family here. I just don't know exactly what time or what I'll be doing. I appreciate everybody who supports me, who comes to my channel, who watches my videos, who comment, who thumbs up the video. Please do all the above. Continue to do all the above. I promise to continue to pump out as many videos as I can. I already have out, I don't know how many videos on Nazi dreadlocks, over 130, 40 just on dreadlocks alone, but I have other videos on this channel as well, on product reviews. But with that being said, that's the end of this video. I love you all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Peace and love.